Are you curious about how the mortgage process really works? Well, it starts with me and you. I'm your loan officer, and we get together and go over your information and gather your documents that you need to establish what your situation is. I talk to you and figure out, hey, are there any challenges or pitfalls that we might run into that we need to cover out of the gate so that we don't have surprises in the future. Once all that's organized, your file goes to your processors. And the processors take a look at all the information that we've gathered and make sure that all of our T's are crossed and I's are dotted and that there's nothing missing that we really need to grab before we send the file to underwriting. The underwriters review your file and evaluate if you are worthy and able to pay back the mortgage that we're going to give you. And once they are finished, then you are at conditional approval. And conditional approval goes back to our processors, and the processors will ask me or ask you directly for any items that we're missing or documentation that we need so that we can go to resubmittal to underwriting so that they can review your file for the last time and give you the clear to close. When you get the clear to close, that means you can schedule your closing with your attorney or your title company, sign your documents, and then once all of the transaction is recorded in the courthouse, we call this recording, then you will get your keys and you can move into your new home.